Have you ever wondered why the world around us, from tiny plants to huge waves, follow certain patterns? Today, we are going to explore the amazing world of patterns in nature. Patterns in nature are repeated shapes, designs, or arrangement that we can see in the natural world. These patterns are not random. They are formed because of natural processes like growth, movement, and physical laws that help keep nature balanced and efficient. There are different types of patterns in nature, each formed in its own way. First is symmetry. Symmetry refers to balanced arrangement of parts around a central line or point, and it is commonly observed in organisms because it supports proper structure and function. Next is fractals. Fractals are patterns that repeat at different scales. An example of this is a tree where the branches grow in similar shapes at different levels. Then here comes the bubbles. Bubbles are patterns formed by surface tension of a liquid that creates round shapes, and an example of this is soap bubbles floating in the air. Meanwhile, foam is a pattern made up of many bubbles packed together. An example is the fruit on top of a carbonated drink or ocean waves. And speaking of waves, waves are pattern of repeating curves or ripples, and an example is the wave on the surface of the sea.